welcome to B0X Ico. It says a protocol for next generation OX standard relays, safer lending, cheaper trading, more liquidity. BZX is a protocol that empowers decentralized margin trading and can be built into any exchange. Select margin trading has arrived. So it helps you to do margin trading even on lending on exchange. Now let's just scroll down and just see. The website looks very unique and different from other website. The way it was so designed. Yeah, this unique. Is how it works and all the rest. Now let's see the team member. This is the roadmap, one after another. Team advisors, Tom Ben. So these are his details here. If you want to get his details, just click on it and check out Kelly, Krista, and all of them. You can see them. These are the team member for this project. These are their collaborators and partners. Now the white paper too. You can check informations of the white paper. This is token distribution. The symbol is B0X and 1 billion total supply. And during the pre-sale and the crowd sale, it's going to be 500 million. That means they are selling 50% in of the total supply in the pre-sale and the crowd sale. So 7.3 cents, 7.3 cents is the price for the ICO, and the pre-sale at the cap is 7.3 million. Crowd sale is 2.99 million, 29.2 million, and the total ad cap is 36.5 million US dollars. So you can go through the white paper self. This is their medium. You can check information they have on medium here. Now let's check the laser ranking. There are really more visitors are coming from Russia, and now you can see the information, name, ship, all the information you need here. Registered on 17, expire next year, based in Panama, the ICO. So I want you to know about this ICO, bring it to your notice, but take note, everything I do in this review is strictly my personal opinion. It's left to you to make a decision whether to go through the ICO or not. I will leave the link of this website of this ICO down below. You can click on it and sign up for the ICO. Strictly your personal decision. Thank you very much for watching my review, and before you go, please just hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'm going to bring more videos for you, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO reviews.